Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna see that how to restore a deleted post on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to open your Instagram application, and once you get there, you have to open your profile. Once you open your profile, as you can see on the top right, you can see these three lines here. You have to click on it. Once you click on these lines, you can see the settings option here. You have to go here, and after that, once you get here, you have to click on the account, and after that you have to scroll a little bit down. Once you come here, you can see this original post here. You have to click on it. So as you can see, these are all turned on. So for example, if it is turned off in your device, you have to turn it on. For example, now if I delete any post, so it will be saved in my gallery. Like as you can see, it will be saved in my phone's gallery. So by any chance, if I deleted it from my Instagram, so I can easily recover it. Like it's in my gallery, so I can repost it or something like that. So you just have to turn these options on to recover your whatever post or whatever picture it is. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.